Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your phone number on Albert. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $150. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for account located at the upper right part of the screen. Click on Account. On this page, you will see a section for Contact. Beside is an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Under Contact, you will see a section for Phone. On the field provided, enter the new phone number you wish to use. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your phone number on Albert. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.